The notion that a single cow can yield enough meat to create approximately 400 quarter-pounder burgers underscores the immense scale and efficiency of modern cattle farming and meat production. To put this into perspective, the average cow can weigh between 1,200 to 1,500 pounds. After processing, around 60 to 65% of the live weight can be converted into usable meat, which translates to approximately 720 to 975 pounds of beef per animal. Given that a quarter-pounder burger contains roughly 4 ounces of beef, this means that from a single cow, producers can craft hundreds of these iconic burgers, which are staples in fast food restaurants around the world. The efficiency of meat production not only reflects advanced agricultural practices but also highlights the complexities of food supply chains, including the environmental and ethical considerations associated with cattle farming. For instance, the resource inputs, such as feed, water, and land, required to raise cattle are significant and often lead to discussions about sustainability in the meat industry. Moreover, as awareness grows around healthier and more sustainable eating habits, consumers increasingly deliberate over their choices, prompting some to explore plant-based alternatives or grass-fed beef, which adds another layer of depth to the conversation surrounding meat consumption in modern society.